Hello, welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am your host Jen. So those of you who are new to this channel, episodes, I do a craft after I've drank a little. Sometimes I'm in the middle of still drinking, and I try to do typically a child's craft. Some end up well, some do not, and I will point to you right here. This is a button bowl, a bowl made out of buttons that identifies as a plate. There were some issues. So, but this one happens to be a shot, and all of my shots are nothing but my belches that a lot of you really seem to like. So sit back, enjoy, and here's the burps. Oh. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Listening to them, they all sound the same to me, and I'm really glad that the sound of my burps isn't the sound of my voice. Like, oh my gosh, crazy. So anyways, hope you guys liked. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys next week.